And yeah, it was a time where I used to follow a lot of females back then. Like if you was around in the early 2020s, on my old account on Instagram, AAB.well006, I used to follow over 5,000 people. And most of them used to be females who used to post provocative videos and pictures on their profile, on their story, every single day. I used to follow them type of females. It's better off following your female only. That's it. Unless you follow females who are strictly about business. That's posting nails, lashes, and purses, heels, clothes, anything, other than OnlyFans or posting paid to get in my private story or this or that, Don't follow those type of females at all. If you think about following them females, do not do it. You're not gonna gain anything for doing that. Only follow your female. If you got an issue with that, just follow your female and that's it. That's it. That's all. But me following those type of females back then, it was boosting my chances of being a gooner. It can boost your chances of being a gooner. Because there's a lot of gooners out there. Let's be honest, y'all. Let's not lie to ourselves, bro. Let's not lie to ourselves, bro. At all. Let's not lie. It's a lot of gooners out there. There's a lot of people who be touching themselves for their own pleasure. You're messing up your temple from doing that. You're not supposed to treat your temple, your body, your church. You ain't supposed to treat your body like that at all. But yeah, man, I grew a lot since then, man. Disabled my account. It's a lot of things I went through. I'm gonna explain that to y'all somehow. But we ain't gonna talk about all that in this video. But like I said, if you got problems following females, just follow your female. If you got a female, just follow your female, that's all. Do not follow no females who post provocative videos or pictures of themselves. Do not follow OnlyFans females. Do not do it. Put yourself in the hole. For you and your woman, do not do it. Trust me, I've been there. I want to help you out. I'm talking to you, man to man. Do not follow no females who do OnlyFans. At all. Do it for your purpose and do it for your female. Do not follow no female who do OnlyFans. Or show their body off and ask you for some money to get in their private story. Do not follow no female like that at all. Alright, I'm going, man.